And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for your hunger. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for you. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for your sorrow to land on me. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for the future. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for us. And I've been wishing, wishing, wishing for your laughter to land on me. Lay your trust, your burden. Lay your hope on me. Take this love that I got.
Beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're returning fam, karibu tena. So on today's video we are going to be tidying up my bedroom and also arranging laundry that I did over the weekend. So yeah, let's do this together. So I'd like to welcome all the new subscribers. Karibuni sana, and my name is Jen. I always forget to introduce myself, and here we do a lot of homemaking videos, and I also get to share my single parenting journey. So if this is the kind of content you love, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. I'll really appreciate it, and we'll get to grow together. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah. So when I left the hotel, I really had a lot of dirty laundry, and that's what I've been cleaning over the weekend. So that's why you see it's like the wardrobes are really empty.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm at extreme at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low,
So I didn't use hangers on the other side of the wardrobe because there's a safe down there. So I preferred using hangers on this other wardrobe and just hanging my long dresses or maxi dresses the way you guys are seeing. So it's something that I preferred doing that way. And then on this wardrobe that I'm arranging right now, I've put all my essentials over there. So I chose to do this. I know should have used hangers, but I just preferred this way because to me it just felt okay.
I ain't trying to bother. You're moving me in all the right ways, waiting for the signal. I wanna go down, down and watch it fall down, down. You give me the green light, speeding like there ain't no stop sign. My eyes set on the prize, yeah. I wanna go down, I wanna go down. But damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own it. You can have my last name if you want it, if you want it, if you want it. Yeah, girl, we don't even have to stop it. Take you higher than a real rocket. You can have my last name if you want it, if you want it, if you want it. Yeah, your body's out in motion, like a Mona Lisa come to life. Pin you on my wall and pull you back down. Watch you slide down and let me drink you in. Oh, selfish lovers drink for free. Spin you around my glass and watch you fall down, pull you back down. But damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own it. You can have my last name if you want it, if you want it, if you want it. Yeah, girl, we don't even have to stop it. Take you higher than a real rocket. You can have my last name if you want it, if you want it, if you want it. Damn, it feels good, good.
Guys, I lost the footage introducing this video, so this is just me showing you my outfit of the day. And this was after shooting, this was after shooting the apartment tour, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, so this is the day we are going to China Mall. And if you've not watched that video, I'll make sure to link it up here, so make sure you go watch. It's China Mall in Ghana, and they had amazing stuff. It was just, I'd say, breathtaking, because especially the decors, these flower pots, the artificial plants, the storage containers, storage jars, it was just mwah. It was just amazing. It was just amazing. So if you've not watched that video, kindly make sure you watch it. I'll also put a link on the description box below, and I have also included all Ghanavlogs on the description box below. So if you'd like to keep up with them, kindly go watch those videos. And yeah. So once we were done at China Mall, we decided to pop into the new Melcom. This is the new Melcom Mall, and it's so huge. I just loved all the varieties, the whole setup. So the new Melcom is so huge. Hi guys. Hi guys, so I showed you my fit. I think that's the last time I talked to you guys, when we were going to China Mall. We've gone to China Mall and then picked a few stuff at Melcom. So I'll show you guys what we got, but first I need to fill my tummy. I am so hungry. because I had even forgotten about breakfast, and that's why I love doing intermittent fasting whenever I feel like losing some weight, because the moment I stop eating, I forget about food. But the moment I start eating, I eat. I eat. So I want to eat some leftovers, and then I'll show you guys what I got from China Mall. I got a few things and also some few groceries that I picked at Melcom, the new mall, the new Melcom. So yeah. So all these are leftovers. These are leftovers from a wiki. This is leftover minced meat. This is leftover spaghetti, and this is my salad. So let me plate and then I'll show you guys. So this is pineapple with ginger. This one tastes nice than the one at the hotel. It's really yummy. So I think I also need, I've been mixing cold water and warm water. So that is my lunch. Allow me to dive in. And then I'll catch you guys when I'm showing you what I got from China Mall and from Melcom. So yeah. So I'm just going to catch up with Mary Smart Kenya. I missed her video today, so I want to catch up on that video and a couple of more videos. So yeah. So guys, I promised to show you what I got from China Mall. So I got this neck pillow, and this one was going for 62 cedis, and it's so pretty, so cute. And then I also got this mug so that I can be able to take tea well. So this one this one was going for 100, not 100, oh god, this one was going for 10 cedis. So yeah, and funny enough, my Kenyan people, yeah, it's the same mall. And then we have the cranberry juice. So for the cranberry juice, one was 10 cedis. So in Kenya, this is 100, 620. And then I want to make some pancakes. So this is the flour that I got. And read here. Wheat flour, it may contain traces of soya flour. Now I'm wondering, how am I going to make pancakes? I can't even make mandazis. But we will see. I'll make sure to tag you guys along. So I didn't have sugar. I have sugar, and I've been craving for bread. I really want to have some slices of bread. I really want to have some slices of bread, you guys. So so this I got at Melcom, the new mall. So yeah, that's all I got. And I don't understand why cranberry juice is so affordable in Ghana, but back home, anyway. So these are the only things I got. So yeah, so I wish I could buy more things, especially for the house, and that video will be going up probably before this one, so you guys will see everything at China Mall. And I found they have very cheap the storage jars, and they are so cute. I felt like if I was living here, I think I would have bought a couple, because they are so pretty. It's just that I can't buy and carry them all the way home. So yeah, so I'm preparing dinner, and I won't tag you guys along because there's a video I'm sure I've uploaded that you guys have seen me prepare ugali or the mboga. So that's exactly what I'm preparing today as well, so that you can finish up on the scuba wiki that we got. Otherwise it's going to go bad. So yeah, and then do some dishes. Maybe that we can do together. But for the mboga, I'm preparing it the same way, but I'll show you guys the end product of the mbogas. So this is how the sink looks like. I had leftovers for lunch, and then this is the mboga. So I want to fry this with just onions because we are having them with some ribs and ugali. Guys, I'll show you just the end product of everything. So my greens are ready, and I've just put one tomato because we'll be putting more in the, what do you call it? The what? Ribs. So I want to clean up these dishes. This is the cup that I got from China Mall, and then put away this, and then we wait. We wait for our chef to prepare ugali and what do you call it, and the ribs. So let's clean up, and then I'll show you guys the meal once it's fully cooked and we are eating. So yeah. And did I show you guys? Did I show you how this thing spoils? Like it can't hold my phone. So now I'm balancing my phone here by faith. By faith. I'm telling you, I'm balancing my phone by faith. These other parts are stable, but here, this thing here, ishalegea tayari, and I don't know what happened. So let's just put away those dishes, clear here, and then tutaonana nikikula.
Yeah. Damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. You told me situations left you lonely. Tried to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean a lot. Bullseye always miss, that's why it's all I got. Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, because you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. So one more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for how. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. You better tell the truth real fast, and then we're probably done at last. 'Cause I got somewhere to be, and you're done deceiving me into thinking I couldn't do better. Yeah, I know I was probably crazy, thinking someday you'd change. There's nothing left to do now, so I'm playing the game. And so, heartbreaker, I've been working you out. You made loads of mistakes, but none that you talk about. I'm watching every move you make, and I'm on to you. Come on, heartbreaker, give in and surrender to me. You should have probably let me go, but you've got a porcelain ego, talking fast and punching low, making sure that there are no traces of thinking I could have done better. Yeah, I know I was probably crazy, thinking someday you'd change. There's nothing left to do now, so I'm playing the game. And so, heartbreaker, I've been working you out. You made loads of mistakes, but none that you talk about. I'm watching every move you make, and I'm on to you. Come on, heartbreaker, give in and surrender to me. But none you talk about. I'm watching every move you make, and I'm on to you. Come on, heartbreaker, give in and surrender to me. Surrender to me, oh. To me.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So the last time I talked to you guys, I promised to show you when I was preparing what we were having for dinner. I didn't. The food was too sweet. I forgot to show you guys, but it was just ribs, ugali, and skuma. So today is Wednesday, so I've decided to pop in here. So I'm from the mall just to get a couple of things that I need. I didn't tag you along, it's the same mats, mart, yes, MRT that we normally go. So let me just show you a few things that I picked for myself, including cereal. I was so used to having cereal at the hotel and I felt I had missed some, so I got myself some. I'm not going to talk so much unless I show you guys what I'll prepare for dinner once I'm done preparing it, because I've had a long day. So yeah, that's what. Let me show you guys. We're at NC Mall. So yeah, let me show you and then I'll catch you up guys when I'm done preparing dinner. So at the Max Mart, and so this was the cereal I was having at the hotel, and it's really nice. I loved it. So yeah, that is it. And then I got these 2 packs of Indomie. This is what I'm actually having for dinner. And then I know I'm eating a lot of junk, but it's not bad, right? And then I got this spice. It's the Norox beef flavor cube. And then I got these biscuits, which I know won't last. I don't know why, but I really love wheat. And then the next thing that I got is tomatoes and some apples. So yeah, so that is everything that I got. And then yesterday I tried having my own kidogo time, so I made some popcorn. I was having this. I'll insert a small video after this. Yeah, I was just having that with some strong tea. Yeah, so let me catch you guys when I'm having dinner. Yeah.
Surrender to me.
And I've been waiting for your hunger. And I've been waiting for you. And I've been waiting for your sorrow to land on me. And I've been waiting for the future. And I've been waiting for us.
So hi guys, not sure if I talked to you today, but I was having fufu for lunch. This is fufu. So fufu is a mix of plantain and cassava, but I can't have it anymore. I carried it, so that's how basically it looks, and it's really nice. So what happened, I got caught up with work, and then I decided I'll have it at home. So this is palm oil. Not sure if I can have both. I don't know what happened, but this is the stew. So I decided to have fufu with stew because I felt this is how I will have mashed potatoes back home, basically. However, I've been told I can't have fufu, like it can't stay without being refrigerated and then have it. I don't know, for more than 3 hours. So it's been 3 hours, so I can't have it. Na imefura. So imefura na inanuka kuganda. So I can't have it, apparently. I think it's the same thing that normally happens to bananas. Yes. And then my stew pia hapa, all this is palm oil. But the stew was packed. I ate it with the small part of fufu here. I really like it. I honestly love it. So I'm also not sure if the stew imeganda. I'm not sure, but I think I'll figure out tomorrow morning. But for this, I can't have it anymore. I can't have it anymore. I've really felt so bad, so I had to get some KFC because it's so late. It's really late, so yeah, just had to get some KFC for dinner and water. So yeah, that's it. I don't want to show my face because I really look tired, so let me talk to you guys tomorrow morning. And I had actually forgotten to show you guys, I also had a crusher na imeyuka, yani ni ile joto iko huku mpaka I'm feeling like I put it in the freezer and then have it, yeah, I have it after some time because imeyuka sana. So yeah, that's it. I had really missed some sugar. Okay.